This.
No, Coach Illia, his lesson, sorry.
I got qualified to play the Portuguese Masters. The best 8 senior players and the best of 4 under 18 players during the season of 2023, only counting national tournaments, compete against each other to become the Masters champion and win some good money. To have a chance of becoming the Masters champion, first I had to go through a phase group which I needed to win 2 games so I can have a spot in the semifinal. My first match I played against Miguel Semedo. Miguel is a very dangerous player that in the past had some few ATP points.
You stupid.
So I knew it gonna be a tough challenge. Starting the match, he was 4-1 up, but I stayed present and I believe our points started to get bigger and I was able to create more opportunities, scoring better his backhand side. Second set, I believe mentally he got out of the game. I think that's why it was 6-1. I was not in my best phase, and my goal was to try to play as many games as possible during the tournament, so I could fight against my demons and gain more confidence. So for me, this was a good win and a great way to start this competition. But we still had one more challenge in the afternoon. After the match, we went to lunch. One of the best parts about this type of event is the interaction between the players. It's always a fun time.
Oh, the vlog, yes, it's a pleasure being on Grinders.
Also, in the same building, a challenge was happening.
Richie will get some knowledge.
So it was a great opportunity to watch some great tennis.
What do you think, Rich?
They serve bombs, 200 kilometers, and learn from the best. Then it was my turn to go back to the court. It was a very hard first set, 7-5 for me. In the second set, my opponent started to get more frustrated, I lost concentration, and started missing more. Even though I won, I wasn't happy with my performance. I was too passive. And I know playing like this will not take me very far in tennis. Still, it was a good win, and I was able to qualify for the semifinals that would be disputed in the next day.
Now it's like 7 p.m. Yeah, it's like 7 p.m. and the day is not over yet, so now I'm waiting for Illia to go to the hotel. But now, you know, the grind never stops, so now he has to give some classes. And actually he has a problem in his knee. He's doing his first week of pre-season, but maybe he gonna have to stop for a day. Actually, he stopped for a week due to the knee problem, and Daniel also was not practicing during that time because he was feeling some pain on his elbow and was having some difficulties finding out what's causing his discomfort. So I guess we can say that pre-season is starting well. So guys, now Illia finished his practice. You know, Coach Illia finished his lesson. Sorry. If you want to, you know, practice grinders.
If you want lessons
service,
with grinder service, just send us a message on Instagram or
email. Yeah, we got you. And now we are going to the hotel to eat a lot, and let's see if we can to rest and make some content for you, showing you our life here. And yeah, we keep in touch. When we arrive, we talk again.
Supposed to be Richie opponent, but he lost. Yes.
I'm retiring.
No guys, but jokes aside, this is always a fun time. We actually were waiting for the dinner, and we took this opportunity to play some snooker and then go out with each other, and it's always so funny, you know. We always do some interesting things that's gonna stay in our memories, and it's hilarious.
Guys, this is not my room. I will test some equipment. This equipment, let's check what's going on here.
After Illia destroyed the bathroom, we went straight to dinner.
Terrible.
What's terrible about this dinner?
We need the price of the beer.
Price of the beer?
Very bad.
So guys, now it's time to rest. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a chance to fight to play the finals See you tomorrow.
What happened?
Ricardo doesn't have a brain.
Why you doesn't have a brain? Basically, yesterday Richie broke one racket during the match. Was an accident. He made a slice and hit with the racket on the floor and broke a racket. It's okay. It happens. But the thing is, after he was supposed to string a racket and he gave a broken racket to a stringer to string, and the stringers made a job.
We're gonna eat and then we're gonna warm up to play the semifinal.
After lunch, it was time to warm up for the game, and actually Daniel warmed me up to see if he still had pain. I had already lost to this guy before, so I knew it was going to be a tough match, but I felt ready for the challenge. At the end of the warm up, I spoke with Daniel about the match, and after, it was time to play.
We didn't film the match, but Richie is there. He lost. Match was okay. His level was okay. Tennis is good, but mentally was not the best. Anyway, now mentally he was not the best. So what we will do? This is our practice. Go.
It's true what Illia said. I was playing with no fire and being negative. Me, Daniel and Illia had a long and deep talk after the match to try to make me understand that playing with this attitude will not get me anywhere. There was no fire, no emotion, and no determination to win when I was playing. We thought maybe I didn't want to play tennis anymore. And this has been going on for a few months now. But what I realized is that I was simply scared of assuming this ambitious dream. Not to mention that in hard times, not winning matches makes it harder to believe in yourself. Those things made me try to hide my fears and doubts in plans B and C instead of fighting and keeping believing. I already decided before this tournament that I would commit to following this dream and accept the risks and consequences of doing it. I believe that I was playing with no fire in semis because I wasn't playing with personality, which I haven't been doing in like a year due to other experiences. And I forgot that attitude is the most important thing. Fortunately, I still had the opportunity to fight for the third place, which was a difficult challenge because I was playing against Martin Simões, who is a ranked ATP player and one of the best Portuguese players right now. I actually started 2 lap down. I was nervous, and it took me some time to get used to Martin's strokes, because he hits really hard, but I had my first opportunity to break him back. In the beginning of the match, I was missing a lot of returns when he served to my forehand, but I tried to stay positive and find a way to do better and force him to play all the points when he was serving. After 3-2, he started to put more pressure on my forehand, and I was letting the ball short. I believe it was because I was afraid of missing, making me hitting the ball with less determination, and he eventually ended the points. Well, here I think I played well. I tried to be aggressive, but honestly, great passing shot by Martin. At 4-2, I was thinking to myself, like, Richie, if you want to win, you have to hit the ball. He's gonna serve to your forehand. He's gonna try to exploit your forehand side. So you have to hit if you want to have a chance to win this match. So it was a battle between me and my mind. Let's say I wanted to hit. Sometimes it was like my body didn't let me, but I was consistently battling, and I started to see some improving, and my level was growing. Even though it's 5-2, I felt like my level was increasing. I tried to stay focused on what I have to do and what I can do better to come back. Even though I didn't start really well with the double faults, So yeah. Even though I was hitting better the forehand, I started to feel like I needed to be more aggressive. If not, Martin will keep dominating the points, and eventually he will finish them. Try to use more my slice because I felt like it could do some damage to him. I don't know what happened to Martin, but I started to miss the first two returns that he wasn't missing, and then he missed these points. He tried to go for it, but I guess maybe he lost a little bit of concentration. But so it gave me like more motivation to keep going. So I was able to come back. Let's go 5-3. So maybe I still have a chance. No comments. No comments. So again, 5-3 down, third level down. Martin has an easy smash, he misses. You know, I was thinking to myself, okay, man, just keep going, you know? Okay, he gives you a chance, just keep going, keep trying. Eventually, I was able to do the 5-4, and now this is a crucial game that can define the first set. I save a set point again, and then I'm able to do 5-0. So this is I just came back from 5-2, so everything is possible now. After the comeback in the first set, it was 3-all in the second set, and Martin started to be even more aggressive in the sense of taking more time when I would let the ball short and crossing forehands with him and coming to the net. So I thought to myself, okay, again I have to level up in the sense of I can't let the ball short on his forehand. I have to put the ball deep or I open angle. I can't just put the ball with no quality. If not, he's gonna keep doing this. So again, Martin forced me to level up again. So after some amazing rallies, it was 6-5 for me. So I was really close to finish this match, but Martin was not giving up so early. Tried to be me, looking to win the points, not waiting for him to miss. But honestly, he just outplayed me in the beginning of this service game. Credits to him. Even though I was 40 love down, everything is possible. So finally I have my first match point. I won't lie to you guys, I was really nervous because this was being a really tough match, so I really wanted to win. But Martin just comes up with that incredible inside-in rocket. Second match point, I was so nervous. I really wanted to win, but I tried just to stay focused on the service and first ball, and that's it. After the match, we had a ceremony where they gave all the trophies and presents to the players. Conclusion. It was a really positive week for me. And even though the first week of pre-season wasn't easy for the other grinders, we are pushing each other to do the best pre-season possible and to be at our best level for the season that is coming.